Alright, today's mask day. So the first thing that we got is our Aztec healing clay, our spatula, something to mix it with, and our tea tree oil, and apple cider vinegar, and some water. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a little mixture that's gonna be paste-like. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. Let me put the camera down a little bit. Right there. Oh, and some eye mask, okay? So first you wanna scoop out just a little bit. Do like 2 scoops. 3, that should be enough, okay? Then we're gonna close it up. Gotta have my wine. And a timer, okay? And some face towel, XL, so you can wipe your face, all right? So then we're gonna pour a little apple cider vinegar. Then we're gonna do a couple of drops of tea tree oil. I'm gonna do about 4 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 6. And I'm gonna put some water in there. Okay. Now we gotta stir it up. And you want it to become a paste. See? So it's still not paste-like, so I need to add some more Aztec healing clay. It's kind of like the pancake mix. You know how you want your pancake mix to be when you're making it? You want it to be paste-like and have some bubbles in it? That's the same with this. Okay. So at this point, I believe it's 4 or 5. Yeah, there we go. Now it's paste-like. That's what we want. You see that consistency? That's the consistency we want. Okay? So you're gonna mix it until you get that consistency. All right? Now, once you get that, I'm gonna go ahead and lift the camera up. Oh no, my camera. Okay, scroll in a little bit. Oh, I can't scroll in. I'm sorry about that, y'all. So we got these. Put these underneath your eye so it can moisturize. About right there. Okay. And these are my favorite ones to use. You do this 2 times a week. But when you're first starting out, just once a week with the Aztec healing clay mask. Because if you can see my skin, see all these bumps and hyperpigmentation that I have? So we're gonna do a 30-day routine and see if this works. So the first week, we're gonna do it 1 to 2 times a week. And see how it works. But it should heal it should lessen, lighten up the hyperpigmentation, and even out my skin tone. And then I just save the rest for later. That way I don't waste it. And I got this container from the Dollar Tree. And these eye masks, everything I got off Amazon or the Dollar Tree. Uh-oh. Where'd I get it? The dog came in. Close the door. And just avoid your eyebrows. And right underneath your eye is super sensitive area. So you want to make sure that you don't mess that area up, okay? Very sensitive area. And she getting all those crevices. Who keeps coming in? It's one of the animals. It's okay if a little bit gets on your eyebrow, because I have some hyperpigmentation around my eyebrow, so that's okay. So I'm gonna save it for when I want to do some spots that I just want to touch up. And it's okay if some gets on the eye mask, the under eye mask. It's okay. Okay? The biggest thing is to get all the areas that have hyperpigmentation. Alright, so I'm going to leave this on for 30 minutes. Normally they say leave it on for 15, but for me personally, I've done this before. I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes. Okay, and then we'll be back. I got my handy dandy timer, got it off Amazon. $30 minutes, starting now. So it's been 30 minutes and it's almost dry, but it still feels wet in some of the thicker parts. So I'm gonna keep it on, but it's starting to flake off. So I'm gonna take the part that flaked off, but yeah, it still needs to dry some more, okay? So I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more. All right, so I'm gonna do 30 more minutes, starting now.